for having me.
Thanks for coming in. Tell me about yourself.
Yeah, I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Kim, and we are back with another excited video. So I know you guys have missed us, and we missed you guys too. So I'm just gonna dive right into this because we have a get back video coming soon. However, today's video, I'm gonna do the voiceover of this awesome transformation. So first, you have to prep those eyebrows and get those black what was thing name again, eyeliner on it. Get it on, um, and then. But before you have interest, you wash your face. You can't just go and start dab makeup all over. So now I'm just gonna fill my fill my eyes with this nice thing. I'm not sure what the name is. I think it something to do with eye. Uh, so um, but damn, that thing looks so heavy on your eye. Um, do you ladies always just dab your eye like that? How does it feel? Explain. Leave a comment down below. Tell me how it feels if you have so much makeup over your eye. Do you quint like slower or I'm not sure because I'm not a female. So no, I'm showing in the expensive palette that I bought. I think it cost only $5,000. I'm not sure. I'm not. I didn't bought it. Rap bought it. So, but I think it cost $5,000. And the colors I'm gonna use all these colors that I put on my little finger here. I'm gonna use these colors, mix them, and I'm gonna try to achieve something great. These are not primary colors. These are like different type of colors. So now I'm just getting into the space. As I said before, um, this thing must feel heavy on your eyes. Remember, she put like 5 ounces before on her eye. Now she's gonna put 6 ounces, and that's six. That's seven. Oh my God. That must be it. What? Oh, so 6 ounces of powder over that eye. No wonder why you girls hardly can see because your eyes are so blasted heavy. But we're not finished as yet. We're still gonna dab some more. But as you can see, the transformation is coming along. Whoa. Men, you got to be careful. If you can't wash off that makeup off your wife or your husband face, trust me, and see the real beauty, something is wrong. Oh, all right. So look at that. So far, she's looking different. That's not Rakisha. Slowly, she's changing. All right. So that's 6 ounces. Now we're gonna add another 6 ounce of new color. However, I wanted to say that some part of the footage was erased because Rakisha was careless enough to get them erased. I left her to do her makeup for like 6 hours. When I come back, she told me that some of the footage mess up. So the time she spent heaving up her eyebrow, she missed all the footage. All right, so now I'm gonna try to tweak those eyelashes. It's good to tweak those eyelashes. Tweak them. I like to see those eyelashes looking down on me. Yeah, so get in between the crevice, and ensure that everything is well set. All right, so we're getting there. We're not gonna stop until those eyelashes are well tweaked. So you got to do the that little thing there. What that name? That little V thing on the eye. I'm not I'm not sure. I'm not familiar with the names. You know, maybe I would have to start with some more makeup tutorial. So in the future, when I'm gonna do more voiceover, it will work. And yes, ladies, if you want somebody to do your voiceover, you can actually send a video to me, and I will do the voiceover for you. I'm not that funny, but I will just try. All right, so that part is finished. Now for phase two. So as you can see, according to what she's saying, it's gonna make her too hot. As in hot, feeling extra hot, the heat. So she's gonna add some more things to her face, some shiny things, get that prickles off, you know. So she's going to the creases again, trying to get rid of all those little stuff. Maybe she missed it when she washed her face, if she washed her face. All right, so she's looking shiny and glassy already, and it's not even done. I can't wait to see the end product. Okay, so she's getting that nose. Wow. So she's looking like a black African. One of those what you call it? Those model. Alright, so we're not finished as yet, so we're just dabbing randomly all over anywhere forward. I'll know she haven't touched the side of her face. You guys can replay and see. So only in the middle. Alright, now she's gonna add some more powder to her face. My god, so hell no. I'm glad I'm a man. Because if I have to do this to do get so beautiful, I would not do it. As you can see, ta-da! I'm glowing, I'm hot, I'm cute. Look at me, gosh. Looks so beautiful, girl. That's my wife though. All mine. As you can see, the lip gloss, the taste, the glow. She's so beautiful. I love her. I love you, baby. Without or with makeup. So it doesn't matter. You're always mine. You're always gonna look beautiful. So yes, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon for further updated posts. And stay in tune for many more. As you know, we love you, and stay tuned. We miss you. Bye.